Hey there, Jesse Bryant here with Guided Inspections on a roof today. Beautiful sunny day. Just wanted to point out a handful of items that we're looking for on a roof. This roof's actually in pretty good shape overall. The shingles are in great condition. But we've got 3, 4, 5 kind of key point areas that could be failure points and may allow water penetration at some point in the future. Some of these items, one of the most common, I would say, are exposed fasteners. So at all of our penetration of boots, anywhere we have exposed nail heads, these nail heads are well secured, quite flush, but they're not sealed. And so as materials age over time, these nails will loosen. The sealant helps to keep that nail in place. It also helps keep water penetration out. So virtually every penetration we have at this roof, we've got exposed nail heads. Another common area where we'll see that is at the ridge cap shingles. So you can see here we've got, this one had been sealed, these have not, or maybe they had been sealed and the sealant has since come off. Any roof debris with trees above, that's going to be an annual or a semi-annual maintenance item. Remove all debris, particularly in the valleys, such as what we see here. And then these tree limbs here, and also here at the northeast corner, we want to keep those trimmed regularly. Roof-mounted satellite dishes generally are installed with a good amount of sealant or flashing or rubberized adhesive pads. But just like anything, it can age and wear over time, and that is a pretty common area for water injury that we want to keep aware of and maintain over time. So again, overall, roof looks great. One other thing I failed to mention, these closed valleys. You can see this is a nice straight cut closed valley. All shingle manufacturers require sealing these valleys so that does not lift up. Especially on a steep pitch roof like this, water will come down and it could go up under that valley. Not knowing how far those shingles go into the valley, we can't assure that that water is not going to bypass the shingle, so that valley should be sealed all the way down. Again, just some roof items to note. Jesse Bryant, Guided Inspections, helping you discover your new home. Give me a call if I can help you.